I got a package in the mail. I order a part for the Subi, and it goes in the rear bumper. It's a protector. The part that I order, I seen Subi Speed they have two different kinds now. One of them is $60, the other one's $50, and the pattern that it has, I'm really not a fan of how it looks. Order, it's gonna be a little bit funny, but I found this from a different YouTuber. He posted on his YouTube. I seen the video. It looks great, but the thing is, they're not meant for a Subaru. They made them for a Prius, but they fit the Subaru, and they're only $50. I seen them on Amazon, and it came out to $54, which I think it's a pretty good deal. It's $54 shipped, and it took about 6 days to get here. Okay, so when I bought the car, I have this already. This touch-up paint. That's the reason why it looks like that. But this one here, this is the one I got last week. Something got on the paint, and when I washed it, it came off, and it looks like it ate the paint. And yeah, I don't like that. You can see it. So this is what I'm talking about. I order it from Amazon. It's meant for a Prius, but I heard it can go on a Subaru as well. So let's find that out. Man, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Whoa. Man, that's good. So the quality on this feels pretty good. Doesn't feel cheap. Okay, so I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay, so the way I'm gonna measure this, I'm gonna go from this one. There's 7 lines this way, 7 lines that way, and I'm gonna measure from right in the center from this.
So I'm gonna lay it down to see it, so I want to stick. Honestly, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Look center, from both sides. Alright, now I'm just hold it real tight. Make sure it'll come off. You can see the pressure I'm putting on the car. Makes the whole car shake.
Close the trunk. The fitment on this is honestly pretty good. There's a little gapping on the sides here, but honestly, it doesn't really bother me. At the bottom it sits flush. And the damage on my paint you can't even see no more. So I say it's a win-win. If you guys want to buy this for your car, I would suggest to go ahead and do it. So this is how it looks from the top. It's a little gap right here, and same from the other side. But honestly, this is pretty solid. It's not going nowhere. Especially right now in this weather in California, or at least in Fresno, it's around the 90s. So the adhesive is gonna stick well. So yeah. All right, man, who needs instructions, right? Didn't even open them. All right, so that's it for this video. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.